there, friends! Good to see you back. Welcome to Quiz Fusion. Can you guess these cars under 3 seconds just by looking at them? Let's test your gearhead knowledge. Let's go for the easy round. This car screams Italian speed and style. This car is a raging V10 Bull. Lamborghini Huracan. This car is a timeless German legend. Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car is America's mid-engine marvel. Chevrolet Corvette C8. This car has wings and British power. McLaren 720S. This car shares its heart with a Lamborghini. Audi R8 V10. This car is Japan's Godzilla on wheels. Nissan GT-R. This car returned with BMW DNA. Toyota Supra GR. This car bites like a venomous snake. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This car blends power and precision. BMW M4 Competition. This car is Bond's stylish weekend ride. Aston Martin Vantage. This car packs a wild V10 punch. Dodge Viper SRT. This car is Maserati's supercar comeback. Maserati MC20. This car corners like a go-kart. Lotus Emira GT. This car is light, loud, and lovely. Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. This car mixes hybrid tech with speed. Acura NSX. This car is a beast from the green hell. This car sings with a high-rev V10. This car is built for drifting fun. This car is Ferrari's plug-in rocket. This car is Sweden's hyper-speed machine. This car is art with active aero. This car can top 300 miles per hour. This car looks vintage, but moves like a jet. This car is silent, fast, and all electric. This car is pure, raw, open-air speed. This car brings back a British icon. This car has a wing that tilts mid-turn. This car is Lambo's first hybrid monster. This car lives up to its intense emotion. How many did you get right? Comment your score and tag your car-obsessed friend.